come on, get up there. I'll wait for you across the road. Electric start. Be careful, there's people coming. Alright guys, hey, Keith of Alaskan Dual Sport. And I'm here waiting on my two grandsons. Still waiting on the guy to call me about the other bike. I don't know what's up with that. Who puts something up for sale and then doesn't get back with you? But anyways, we'll wait a little bit. If that doesn't work out, we'll go find something else. But here they come. Go this way. Go over here. Go over there. We're going to go down that trail. Come on down here. So you think you can ride this all the way over? Huh?
Yep.
You got your key?
Yep.
Well, you need to put it in the switch, don't you? Alright, you're on your own, man. You better be able to stop. You remember, pull in that clutch. Hit the brake. Now fold that in. Joe, fold it in. Go. Alright, Joe just took off out the trail for the first time. Pull in the clutch. Joe! What are you gonna do? Go easy, Adam. Okay, here's that big hill. Pull in the clutch. Pull in the clutch. Hit the brake. Adam. You ready? We'll see how far it gets. Look at this big dip here. I can't believe he made it across that. There's a big mud hole. Look at this mud hole. No. See if he can make it through this thing you went through.
That was easy.
He's in there, getting the right lane. There you go. Go for it, Joe. He did it. He did it. What?
This little thing.
Oh, well, scoot up.
I like your bike. It's nice and loud.
Let's see what he's going to do.
Oh, you slid that time. That was cool.
slinging mud on me. But slow down, Joe. For the mud.
Oh, your gear's so good.
He made it across. Alright, now this is where it gets difficult, Joe, so hang on. If you want, it'll make it easier on me.
I'll make it easier on you.
That sling mud?